Hey guys, this is Lisa with Geek Girl Finds. Please excuse my voice. It's still gone from having the flu. But anyways, I'm going to try to explain to you what we're doing today. Not long ago, I did a review and first impressions video of the LipSense by SeneGence brand that a friend of mine online, the pretty pie hole, also known as Sarah. Anyway, she's a distributor for them, but she had sent me the LipSense to try, do a first impressions, and I really enjoyed the product. And so she sent me the ShadowSense to try and check it out. So disclaimer here, this was supposed to be a first impressions video. It is not going to be a first impressions video because yesterday I filmed the video in the morning and then I filmed, my follow-up in the evening for my thoughts and how well the product stayed and held. And the video quality was so bad. Somehow my settings for the video got completely messed up. I didn't notice it. And I want to do an honest video, so I'm not going to re-record a first impressions. But I will say I really did like the product. It lasted really well throughout the day. So what I want to do is just basically a makeup look using this product today. And this is what it looks like. It's just like the LipSense. It looks like a, tube of lip gloss. But I'm going to be using this. Oh, and by the way, it's in shade Pink Posey. But I'm going to be using this on my eyes. I'm going to be using it as a cheek color as well. And I'm going to try it out on the video, using it with the LipSense products that I already have that she had sent me a while back. So trying to create like just a multi-layered kind of lip look with that as well with different colors. So we're going to give that a whirl. So I'm going to do the video and, fast forward a high speed motion because I know everyone has better things to do than watch me put makeup on all day. So that's what we're going to do. But I am going to say it's a really cool product. It runs about $22. I could see this tube. You don't need a lot, and it's very blendable. But I could see it lasting for a long time, so I think it's a good value for the money. But anyways, so I'm just going to go ahead and start the video, and you guys can see what I'm talking about and see the final look. I really think this is a really good shade, by the way, for people with green or blue eyes. I think it'd be a good shade for really anybody. So, but I noticed yesterday when I had it on, my eyes were just really popping. So anyways, just kind of a hint if you have lighter eyes. But anyways, let's get right into it. And thank you guys, let me just go ahead and say this, for stopping by and putting up with me being so raspy.
strong. In the room of all hookers, all sing along to every song. Still don't know how to party. Nobody people ever talk to me, no. Still don't know how to party. Drink my wet and wages, smoke on liquid meat dispensary. Binary contagion spreading left and to the right of me, enticing me, inside of me, inviting me to partake. Whose flavor of fascism, whose style of status is always scrolling through the shindig, to shit into the lampshade. Tickle for the Kool-Aid, pissing in the lemonade. Polarized partisans all actually agree. Parties over, give me my fire. Still don't know how to party. No party people ever talk to me, no. Still don't know how to party. Still don't know how to party. No party people ever talk to me, no. Always over for it started. Still don't know how to party. Still don't know how to party. No party people ever talk to me. Yeah, always over for it started. Still don't know how to party.
I've got my mascara on. I just didn't want to do that on camera. But anyways, I'm really liking this product. I like the versatility of it. It goes on easy. It doesn't dry too quick, so you still have time to work with it really well from what I can see from 2 days of using it now, and I don't think that's going to change. So, you know, this color, this Posey color, Pink Posey, works great with the lips, just to get a little pop of color on the front, like a different shade, to add to the strawberry shortcake LipSense that I used. I really like that. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. But all in all, I think this is a great day look. One thing I wanted to add that yesterday, when I don't know if y'all noticed, I did not add any primer to my eyelids. I did not do primer at all. And I didn't do primer yesterday because I really wanted to test the product to see how well it lasted, how long it lasted. And yesterday, after I applied it, I cleaned the apartment. I worked out on my bike for like 20 minutes. And what else? Oh my God, I took a nap. I mean, you would have thought a nap, it's going to be gone, especially off my eyelids. And my eyes were really runny yesterday. I don't know if there was some allergens in the air, but it wasn't a good day for my eyes. They were really irritated. But it wasn't because of the product. It was just, I am prone to allergies, so I get leaky freaking eyes. But anyways, it lasted through all of that. It lasted until the evening, until 10 o'clock at night. And I took it off with, just a gentle, like, oil-based eye makeup remover, and it came off really well. I didn't have any issues with it. But yeah, it stays on until you want it to come off. And I noticed it didn't fade or flake or anything weird that I would be looking for. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks good. So, I know $22, some of us, pay that much for a palette of various colors. But, if you are someone, you have really busy days, hectic days, and you don't have time in the morning to do primer and this and that and, 5,000 other steps and setting sprays before you go off to work or to the gym or whatever it is you have to do, chase your kids around all day, I think this product is well worth it. Because, you can either build it with other colors or get other colors in the ShadowSense line. They have quite a variety, but you could go to the gym, you could go swimming, and I see this staying on. So if you like looks that are quick and easy and something that can, basically stay with you all day and you have that confidence and feel good about yourself all day, I say $22 is worth it, if you've got the money to spend. I'm going to leave in the information section below the video, I'm going to leave Sarah's information, who's the distributor. And as I mentioned earlier, she's known as the Pretty Pie Hole online. I will give you her Instagram, Facebook, her Facebook group page, all of that. So if you have any questions for her, she knows way more about the brand than I do. I'm pretty new to the SeneGence line of products. But yeah, please reach out to her, ask her some questions. If you're interested in purchasing it, please go through her. She's fantastic, and she always sends us stuff in really cute little packaging. Like this came in this little burlap sack with a little heart, and she sent along this little brush, and she's really cool. She's a neat lady. Definitely a good friend to have online. So, but anyways, please check her out and let her know that Lisa with Geek Girl Finds sent you. And anyways, I don't really know what else to say, but this is definitely a 2 thumbs up. The product works great. The only issue I see for maybe some people is the price point. But if you look at it in how I broke it down, if you're busy on the go, all of that information, I can see where the price point would definitely be worth it. So, but you and you know what you need throughout the day. So, those are decisions you make. I'm just here to show you how nice it looks and tell you about how much I like it. So again, guys, thank you for watching. Please hit that notification bell and do not forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon. And maybe my voice will come back. Who knows? At this point, this might be my new voice. So anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.